of course, you need a killer resume, right? But many people, they have a decent resume. I don't have a lot of suggestions here because you just have to put in the effort and go through the grind, right? Make sure you don't fail SQL and Python quizzes. Most of them are not hard, right? It's not like the leak code or data structure and algorithm type of questions, if that are typically used in software engineering interviews. For data science or data analytics interviews, it's just some simple SQL and Python questions, and you have to nail them, right? There's no excuse, of not passing them. You just need to work hard on that. So choose, HackerRank or LeetCode, whatever, sort of resources you can find to practice that, okay? So that's the first step, because you have to pass the technical round before you get to talk to the hiring managers in most of the cases, right? Now, storytelling is really the key here. I'm assuming that you have the right skills and you can pass technical interviews, and you move on to the next stage and get to, talk with the hiring manager. There are a couple of questions you need to ask yourself, and you have to nail them in interviews, right? They want to know who you are, right? But it's not just about like what school you graduated from. Like, most of you are career switchers. So your story might not be that interesting to the interviewers, because they think they're interviewing someone who's interesting, who can do the work, right? So you need a story that explains your journey, what gets you here today, right? It is okay that you're a career switchers and 6 months ago you don't even know coding, okay? And many people think that, well, I'm not confident about my experience, my skills. But turn that into your advantage, because you can tell people that, well, 6 months ago I don't even know coding, but look at where I am right now. I'm able to complete 5 data science projects. I'm able to pick up Python programming in 3 months. I can complete 5 courses in 3 months. So that shows you how committed I am, right? So these are actually some of the good traits people are looking for in a good candidate, okay? But it just depends on how you tell the story. And when you tell people you are a fast learner, then you can turn this into your advantage, because you need to give people the proof